tupate picha za viara. Picha wanapeleka.
We thought it wise to engage some of them who are willing, and so we did that. We did a call out for those farmers who had applied earlier, and they will still be willing to get into production, because we had a sharp increase requirement in terms of the barley we required as of course the country was opening up. So currently, as we are speaking, we've done that process. Farmers have bought seed, and they're currently planting. So besides the reduced volume, we came again and increased it by about 7,000 metric tons. So we had to quickly come back to the Mau escarpment, where we have our farmers, and they still had a planting window to be able to plant some crop. Today we have around 314 farmers that we are working with this season alone. But we are hoping to go back to our numbers in January. So if this thing normalizes the way we are looking at it, so we'll be back to our normal operations.
Yanda hasara kubwa sana, sababu kwanza communication ilikuwa mbaya sana. Kwanza movement ilikuwa mbaya. Kwanza kazi yote ilisimama. Ofisi, local movement, kila kitu ilisimama.